Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Land Cruiser and a tractor. We will explore their distinct purposes, capabilities, and designs. The Land Cruiser excels in navigating diverse terrains and carrying passengers comfortably, while a tractor is built for demanding farm work. Understanding their core functions will highlight why each vehicle is uniquely suited for its specialized role. When it comes to performance, the Land Cruiser provides a smooth, powerful ride, often with engines producing around 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This allows for comfortable highway cruising and confident off-road adventures. Tractors, however, are geared for immense pulling power, with some large models offering over 400 horsepower and thousands of pound-feet of torque, ideal for plowing and tilling at much slower speeds. Design-wise, the Land Cruiser emphasizes passenger comfort and utility, offering luxurious interiors, advanced infotainment, and seating for up to 8 people. It typically has around 9 inches of ground clearance. Tractors, conversely, are built for function, featuring robust frames, large tires, and a power takeoff system to run various implements. Their ground clearance can exceed 16 inches for navigating uneven fields. Ultimately, the Toyota Land Cruiser is a versatile vehicle perfect for adventurers, families, and those needing reliable transport across diverse terrains. It offers a blend of luxury and rugged capability. A tractor, on the other hand, is an indispensable workhorse for farmers and construction crews, designed to maximize efficiency and productivity in demanding agricultural or industrial settings. Both are masters of their respective domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.